What's up, my YouTube family? It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. I don't know if you got a notification. I don't know if someone sent you here. I don't know how you got to this video, if YouTube suggested it to you, but I want to thank you for watching it. So listen, I've been gone from the industry for over 4 years. And when I say the industry, I mean the make money online from home industry, right? My cousin, who was like my brother, passed away over 4 years ago, and it sent your girl in a very dark place. And let me tell you something, it wasn't nothing but God that got me out of that place. I had nobody. When I say nobody, I mean nobody, right? And so I'm thankful to have been out of that place for a little over a year, and I'm really ready to get back into the trenches, get back into the groove of making videos. One of the reasons why I stopped making videos really 4 years ago is because I had no reason to really make videos. I was just so sad. But even though I've been out of the dark place for the last year, I mean, I really didn't know what direction I wanted to go in. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. And so that's why I'm making this video right now, because I want to share some insight with you on what's kind of going on, what has happened in the last year. So really, your girl caught the C word. I've had it twice, actually. The first time I got it in October of 2021, and it almost took your girl out. That's a whole video in itself right there. I thank you, God, that, you know, I am still here. I had it again in May of 2022. It wasn't that bad in May. It was pretty much more of like a sore throat is how it started. And you know, it was probably about 3 days I was man down. So that was nothing compared to the first time. And also, I was in a pretty bad car accident last March. I'm so thankful to God to still be here from that. Wow. Yeah, it was pretty bad. And I had to go through physical therapy, went through a lot of different therapy, you know, and I'm just now really probably the last, 4 or 5 months been working out in the gym. It is very painful to do exercise, but I am working through it. As a matter of fact, every time I'm working out, I'm praying. I have to stop. It's a lot, but I'm pushing through. That's the thing. I'm pushing through. The wreck was so bad that the state trooper had to come to the hospital to let me know that, you know, he had to come see me and say how blessed I was. And I don't need him to tell me. I know how blessed I was, because, man, listen. So much so, my guardian angel also tracked the person down that hit and ran and brought their information back to the scene. Can you tell me that's nothing but God? Yes, that's God. Thank you. But also, I have a new grandbaby. He just turned 1. I'm super excited. He's such a sweetheart. And, you know, it's just been so much. I can just sit here and go on and on, I promise. But, you know, now that I am, you know, really back, and I have my income streams in place, and I kind of know exactly what I want to do, how I want to do things. That's why, you know, I'm making this video. So, you know, there are a lot of ways that you can make money online, right? I mean, I'm not sure, you know, what you're looking for, but my niche, my industry, what I like to do is I like to, you know, create income online myself and help and teach others to do the same, right? It's really that simple. And so there are so many different ways that you can make money online. I mean, we're talking, you know, from affiliate marketing, which is what I'm doing. You have low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket affiliate marketing. I have all 3 of those in my arsenal. Then you also have like real estate investing. You know, you have cryptocurrency. We have the ability to receive crypto with our platform as well. Drop shipping. Oh my goodness. It's so many different ways to create income. But what I find is that a lot of people, they have difficulty with learning how to create income from home, right? So that is what I will be doing here on my channel. I'll be kind of sharing, you know, like I have 3 pillars. You know, my biggest 3 pillars is, you know, mindset. You know, how do you grow your mind? I give positivity every single day, you know, on my YouTube shorts. I have TikToks and I have Facebook Reels. I'm not steady on Instagram yet, although I will be. The next pillar for me will be lifestyle. And the reason why I chose the word lifestyle is because there's so many different things that fall under the lifestyle. You know, I'm getting healthy and fit and, you know, working on being a healthier and better me. And so under that umbrella is, you know, working on fitness goals that I have, making sure that I'm eating healthier, you know, making sure that my overall body is much healthier. So that's under lifestyle. Then you have travel under lifestyle, right? Then you have, you know, health and wellness supplements and stuff, all of those different things, you know, talking about family, kids, all of that kind of stuff, everything that falls into, you know, the lifestyle, entertainment, having fun, you know, living life and enjoying life. And then, of course, you have the Bitcoin, the money, getting to that bag, creating that income. So those are the three important things for me: mindset, lifestyle, money, Bitcoin, all of that. So I just really wanted to do this video just to kind of say, hey, your girl is really back. I know I've probably made several videos on my channel talking about being back, and it has been me saying I'm back, and then I go back into hibernation. But your girl, for real, is back. I'm going to be sharing with you some behind the scenes of what I have going on, the income streams that I'm doing, all of the different things that Nikki PinkkGoddess is doing, you will find on my YouTube channel. And so I just want to be able to create the life that I want, and I want to assist and help others that are looking to create, you know, whatever life it is. I want to be able to help you in any way that I can. And so there are so many different ways that you can use to create money online from the comfort of your home, but you have to choose whether you want to, you know, do free advertising. Do you want to do paid advertising? Do you have a social media presence? Do you have a funnel? Are you collecting leads? Are you connecting with people that may want to buy from you or not? Like, I can just go on and on and on. So I'm pretty sure this video is probably all over the place. I didn't even do the right thing, which was to sit down and put an outline together before I got in front of the camera. But that's what I want you to know. You don't have to be perfect, right? People are not looking for perfect. They're looking for you being there. There are so many people, you know, you hear people talk about, you know, they have their favorite influencers or they have their YouTubers that they watch. You know, you can be a YouTuber, right? All you got to do is turn on the camera. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm a little bit of a neat freak as far as like how I like things, and as far as like, you know, like wanting things to be a certain kind of way, my way. And I'm trying my best, I'm working hard. I'm working hard at, you know, relinquishing some responsibilities to others so that I don't have to do everything, and knowing that everything doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is that it's done. You know, don't sit still, do and move. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to be perfect. Nothing is perfect. That's just like, you know, when I became a mom at the age of 16, I got pregnant at 16 and had my son 3 days after I turned 17. Like, there was no planning of like how it was going to be. It's just like I became a mom and I adapted. You know, I made changes along the way. There's a lot of things that I could have done differently that I didn't know how to do differently, but I can teach and share, you know, from my experiences now. Just like with my marriage, I was married to my ex-husband for 10 years. We were together for 14. So yeah, I can share some insight on marriage. You know, I have a lot of things. I have my master's degree in marketing and communications. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a matter of, you know, giving value. That's the most important thing, right? You have two types of people in this world. Really, you have more than two, but it's just kind of breaking it down. You have people that spend money and people that make money, right? You have those two types of people that are looking for ways to make more money, people that are out here spending money. They don't care about making more money. I want to connect with the people that are looking to know, how can I make more money so that I can make sound investments, so that I can make a better future for my family and the generations to come, right? That's the kind of people that I want to connect with, people that's looking to grow, that's not wanting to stay where they are, not wanting to be stagnant, that want more out of life. So again, like I said, I've probably said a lot in this video. My phone is blowing up. I'm hoping that this is recording because I keep seeing all these notifications as I'm recording this video. And so I'm just excited to be back. If you ever want me to discuss anything, please make sure to comment. My contact information will be on all the videos on how you can reach me. You find me on Facebook everywhere, Nikki PinkkGoddess. And that's 2 Ks in the pink goddess. And so you can find me everywhere online. As you can tell, I'm very excited to be back. I am just so elated to be back because as we are heading into 2023, right? It is time for some lives to change. It is somebody watching this video right now that has been playing so small. And I want you to know right now that you may have not accomplished all the goals that you wanted to accomplish here in 2022. But baby, 2023, it is a new leaf. Make sure that you don't put nobody first but you, right? You, because everybody else is going to put them first. And that's one of the things that I had to learn. You can't always put everybody else first. It doesn't matter who it is. You got to put you first because people are going to choose them all the time. So you got to do that for yourself. So I'm telling you, if you're watching this video right now and you are not where you want to be, you need to sit down and say, you know what? I'm going to prioritize me. Everybody else is going to prioritize themselves. So make sure that you are putting you first. If you are not where you want to be, then all you got to do is make the decision. Number one, make the decision that you're not going to continue to be where you are, and you're going to make some changes, and you're going to write down some goals. You're going to take some action steps. You're going to be consistent, and you're going to get what you want. Listen, I'm not going to go on a whole tangent because, listen, your girl can go. When I start talking about things that's, passionate to me, I can talk for hours. So I just really wanted to do this video. I wanted to keep it under 15 minutes just to say, I'm back. I will have 2 live videos every week on my channel. So please, please, please make sure that you share, that you like, that you subscribe, and you support your girl. And again, if you have any questions about anything, you can always reach out to me. You will see my contact information on the video. I thank you in advance for watching. And I hope that you have an amazing, amazing rest of the day, the night, whatever it is that you're watching this. And let's get connected. Let's help you change your mind, change your lifestyle, and change your money, your bag. It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out of this video. I thank you for watching. Peace.